So this morning's task was to try and use up some of the jalapenos. I only grew 3 plants and I got loads and loads of jalapenos off of it. Never grown them before, never processed them before, but after watching a few things on internet, I came up with this. So basically it's ripe tomatoes, jalapeno peppers, brine solution, and we'll let them ferment now for maybe a week and give them a stir every day and have a taste of the brine every day, and when it changes to lactic acid, then you know it's pretty well ready. And then what we'll do is we'll make it into some hot sauce of some description. I still don't know which way we're going with this, but we'll come back to this one at a later date, next week sometime. Anyway, waste not, want not, and above all, keep on gardening.